The state of Tamil Nadu is getting ready to face another cyclone, and this time it's been given the name Nivar, allegedly by Iran, and it actually means brightness. And that's the reason you could see the ocean, like the sea, on the near the Chennai coast is completely rough. This is one patch of Marina Beach in Chennai, and it seems to be extremely rough. Now, as per the initial predictions, like the Met Department claims that this particular cyclone called as Nivar, in another 24 hours will turn into a super cyclone. And not just that, the landfall is expected between Mahabalipuram and Karaikal. Now, Mahabalipuram is 44 kilometers from Chennai and Karaikal is 283 kilometers. It's being said that like close to 7 districts now red alert has been provided to them, and probably it might increase to even 8 districts, and of that 3 districts including Nagapattinam and Cuddalore are already facing severe rainfall. On the state's part, the state government has said that all precautions have been taken to make sure that no life loss occurs, and in fact people from low-lying areas, people like in thatched roofs and weak buildings have already been moved to storm shelters, which has also been equipped with food and adequate water supply. Not just that, 30 NDRF teams have been placed in various districts in the coastal region, of which 6 NDRF teams have been particularly placed at Cuddalore district, which faces the strength of the storm every year. The last time Tamil Nadu faced such a kind of heavy storm was in 2018, and it was Cyclone Gaja. We still don't know what kind of aftermath Cyclone Nivar is going to for now cause in these 7 districts. But so far the state government does not want to take any kind of bet on this, and that's the reason they claim that all measures have been taken. Not just that, after learning from Cyclone Gaja, workers are also put on standby, especially to make sure that there is adequate power supply and there is no disruption of it. Back during Gaja period, what occurred was that several hundred lampposts were lost, and that's the reason workers have been put on standby for that as well. This way, Tamil Nadu government claims that all measures have been taken to face Cyclone Nivar. But for now, we've come to know that Cyclone Nivar, for the day alone, for almost 3 hours, have been standing in one area, static in the sea, almost 450 kilometers from Chennai as we speak currently, and various steps have been taken so far. But behind us you could see the sea is extremely rough. The Chief Minister has also requested the people to be extremely cautious and avoid any kind of or unnecessary travel anywhere. In fact, in these 7 districts that have been given red alert so far, buses the public transportation has been halted since 1 p.m. and has been extended for the next 48 hours, depending on the after landfall, and the other decision could be taken. So far, several kind of precautionary methods, precautionary steps have also been provided to the people. Everyone has asked to be extremely cautious. But this is one location in Chennai, and the actual brunt of the storm is expected between Mahabalipuram to Karaikal. With camera person Vijay Shekhar, Pramod Madhav for Mirror Now.